Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about this tree. So the root is under the ground. Okay, the root of the tree is under the ground, and this is the trunk of the tree. We call this the trunk of the tree. Okay, and these are we call them leaves. Okay, so the root, okay, is under the ground, and this is the trunk. The large branches we call them boughs, okay, and the little branches we call them twigs, okay. So in this tree, there are not many twigs, okay. So this trunk is way up and up to there, okay. And so this is called a bow, okay. This is called a bow. So it has not many twigs, and that is called a twigs. I will show you what is the twig. So this is the twig. We call this a twig, okay. And this is a bow. This is a bow.